was not a video we planned on doing, but unfortunately, the fuel pump stopped working. What sucks is I just filled up the tank earlier, so it's got a full tank of gas right now. But we gotta drop the tank, figure out what's going on, see if the fuel pump is done, if something got disconnected. We already checked wiring and fuses, so this is gonna be fun. This tank is full of gas right now, so if there's any spark, we're all just gonna have to explode. Right now we're making a circuit. See if we can get the fuel pump to work again. It stopped working, and if we can't get it to work again, I'm gonna have to buy a new one already. We're just gonna have to go with a standard Bosch, because that's what's used for turbo LSs, so surely it can handle a little 3800.
Can't go wrong with a Bosch 044. Hold that onto the white one, I think. Or gray, whatever color that is. Yeah, that one.
Fuel pump works. Unfortunately, this complicates things.
This really complicates things. That wire is a little corroded, so
Good news is I don't have to buy a new one. Bad news is I don't know why it's not working. There's a further complication on the I have to get it inspected by the sheriff department, and then I have to get the title for Jefferson City because it's a salvage title, or certificate of salvage title anyway. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So who knows whenever it's gonna be tagged and, you know, on the road again.
Spread those apart a little bit too. That way, when I push it in there, it's making contact from the side for sure. It appears I've beat myself. That's gonna start putting it in there. It's just... Alright, Logan, put that in there. Yes.
He said the gray one, but it's all yellow. Not sure what he's talking about. Then we gotta put it back in and see if the car will start.
Yeah.
See, the dropping the tank wasn't bad. Putting it back in is gonna be bad.
Yeah. Gravity helped us get it out.
Gravity's not gonna help us.
I wish, my fondest wish for him is that we could get a big enough garage leak for the rest of it.
Yeah. Not like right now.
Alright, so it appears that our O-ring's filled up. It's not going to fit properly. It's not going to allow it to seal. What we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit out of it. Hair more. Perfect. Take your super glue, put it on your O-ring. Glue your O-ring back together. We'll let that dry for a minute and then we'll put that back together.
All right, we got the fuel tank back in there after seeing if after cleaning off the connectors and rewiring it. So let's see if this works now.